Welcome back to the vlog. We have some things to catch up on. I first want to start off with a little Sephora haul. I started using vitamin C maybe 2 months ago now, and it's completely changed my skin. I started watching Dr. Idris on YouTube. Major Fade Active Seal Vitamin C Gel Moisturizer. I've been using this for almost a week now in conjunction with her Major Fade Hyper Serum. I definitely struggle with hyperpigmentation. That's mainly what this targets. I've been binge watching her skincare videos, you guys. She's so knowledgeable. She's based in New York, so I really wanted to try her products. My skincare is something I really wanted to dial in this year. I really wanted to target like my redness and my hyperpigmentation, and I've already seen a drastic decrease in both of those things. What else did I get? I got, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is actually what I went in to get besides the vitamin C product. This is my staple concealer. I love having this on hand at all times because no matter how many other concealers I try, I always go back to my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade 2.3 Madeline. In addition to this concealer, I also did get another concealer just because I wanted to test out the waters. Like I said, I like having that NARS one on hand at all times, but I'm always looking for a good concealer, and I've heard great things about the Hourglass one, so I got the mini. I'm excited to try this. This is the shade Cotton 2, and even if I don't like it, it's a mini, so I figured if I hate it, I can just put it in my car as like a major backup. Last thing that I got at Sephora, which was a free gift. Oh my gosh, this is the best free gift I've ever gotten at Sephora. It's the Jo Malone Wood, Sage, and Sea Salt perfume. Look how cute this is. It's a little miniature. She's so gorgeous. She could be on my little bookshelf back there as a decor piece, but I'm obsessed with this. It smells so good. Per usual, all the Jo Malone perfumes smell delicious. Oh, so good. Definitely wood, sage, and sea salt. That's a good name for this. That's exactly what I smell. That's the first time I've seen a Jo Malone product in like the free gift section as well at Sephora. So I feel like it was just my lucky day going to Sephora that day. And then I wanted to show you guys what I got from Kai. This is just the bag. I got a top that I've been wanting for so long, and I really wanted to try it. It's still capsule enough to go with lots of things, but it's not like a boring white button up, you know? I also got a pair of jeans. I got a pair from NA-KD, an influencer I follow. I think it's Pia Shaw or someone. She's like an LA-based creator. She was wearing these jeans. Let me just try and start trying to find some good jeans because I just feel like capsule wardrobe, the only thing I'm really missing is like a classic denim collection, and that's like such a staple for a capsule wardrobe. So yeah, very excited about those. I need to try those on still. If I like them, I'll insert a picture on the screen of what they look like. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention, guys, I'm starting to read. I did not purchase this. I got this from my neighborhood library. You know, the neighborhoods that have those little boxes and people will like take a book and leave a book. I got this from there. I thought it's so cute that they do that here. I've read this much, and then I have this much to go. It's based in the 1940s, which I just love reading, like an older classic book like that. I didn't know that until I read this, but I really am enjoying it. It's just like very peaceful. If you guys are reading, drop a comment down below of something that you've read that you really liked or what you're currently reading. Give me some book recommendations. Yeah, that's all the stuff that I've accumulated over the past week. I did get sent a package yesterday from Commense. I'm working with them on Instagram. Everything is really cute. I wasn't sure because I've never purchased anything from there or gotten anything from them before. I will put the Instagram reel that I'm gonna do with like trying everything on below this video in the description so you guys can see it. Let me just show you guys the purses really quick because they're really cute. Purse number 1, she is a gem. I think this was what I was most excited about in the package. Brown leather in the back, on the bottom, and on the sides. The most gorgeous brown suede, and it's still long enough to be like a shoulder bag. You could wear it like that too. So cute. This is gonna be my new like classic casual summer bag. The next bag is this little gem right here. I didn't have until now any of these braided bags like this. I don't have a lot of white bags either, so that's why I got it in this cute little white color. Then the last bag that they sent me was so fun, not what I would typically go for. Why not have something on hand that could be fun for like vacation or going to the beach? You can also take out this little bag right here if you wanted to put like an aesthetic little perfume or Dior lip oil. Good morning, it's the next morning, Saturday morning, and I'm about to go meet Shaylee. We are gonna have a little photo shoot. I have on the Kai top from yesterday, and I paired it with a little maxi skirt. I'll show you guys in the mirror. So you can see kind of the full fit. Have on my little mango heels, and then I also have a brown jacket to go over this, and I have two bags, a black one and a brown one to match the jacket, one to match the shoes. So my car is stuffed. We're gonna go have a photo shoot. Cute little flower market. This looks so good. Okay, wait, what did you get again?
I got the oat milk vanilla latte.
Oat milk vanilla latte. Okay, let's go get my matcha. This is Shaylee.
Hi.
We just grabbed a matcha and a coffee. We're just sitting at this cute little table, chill and take some content. Cheers!
Cheers, girls' day.
Okay, so we got pictures in our first outfit, and now we just changed outfits. She took off her blazer, new shoes. I'm in a totally different outfit. So we're gonna go try and find a cute wall or something to take a cute photo. Outfit check. Okay, wait, this wall, if we move the table, right?
Yeah, let's move the table.
Okay, ready? I'm wearing one of the dresses from the Commence little haul and the Commence bag, the brown one. And then Shaylee is wearing
this from Casa.
She stole it from my car closet, and just the gray sweater. It's from Amazon. Cute little cardigan. It's my go-to. I've worn that in so many vlogs because it's just really comfy. And she's gonna do like a beachy denim and cardigan outfit pick. Houses, these condos or little places for rent are so cute. There's like a pool right back there.
Love that. Need that.
Little rose on it.
Wait, look at the red velvet.
Oh my gosh. I love this rose one. What? How cute. Got a little snack, some sun chips, some cheese and crackers and fruit.
And then I got some Quinn peanut butter pretzels. I'm allergic to gluten and dairy, so
Yeah.
these are perfect. I love these.
Okay, I got pizza margherita with a side of broccolini.
And I got the Eva pizza. It's spicy salami.
Eva?
Eva. Yeah, spicy salami, pepperoni, ham, and like hot honey.
Hot honey?
Yeah.
So good. And then what is your drink? We got ginger beer, Italian soda. The next day, my dad and I visited the flower fields. They're just starting to bloom, and we also found the blueberry picking. I've never been able to do the blueberry picking before because I've never been this early in the season, but you pay by basket, and we were able to walk around and try all the different variations and fill up our little basket full of blueberries. Like, look at them all. There's so many. Everywhere you walk, there's just clusters. We came here for the flowers. We ended up getting blueberries. Going to the market to get some sandwiches. All right, what did you get?
Grilled turkey sandwich. I think has cranberries in it.
Yeah, it looks like it. And then I got a little turkey and provolone. It looks really good.